anything you stuck up with, do let me know, okay? Anything or anything you stuck up with. Instead of googling and all, we'll just talk together. Natural.
Hey Kaushik, Sandeep.
Hello.
Hi Neerav, Saurabh.
Hi.
Hey Dan.
That's German.
Never mind.
Oh, private emails. Oh, Facebook. Look at this. It's like 45 points award. Glenfiddich is a very good whiskey.
Hey Anand. What are you up to?
Yeah, learning tutorials for the new feature that I am working on.
Hey Sundar. And what are you up to?
I'm going to be, as usual, like odd job guy. Whatever our team wants, I will help them out. So they have asked for.
So you're actually gonna play the role of a CFO. Great. Hey Anuraj. Hi Tej.
Hello.
How's it going?
Yes, we have started our target. So
The targets of the hackathon looks pretty much achievable, kya?
yes.
Then it's not a target. Hi Ankit. Looking cool in I Am Ahmedabad sweatshirt.
Yeah, I had to buy it because of the winter.
What are you working on?
I'm working on my backend for advertisers. I'm gonna automate it by tonight.
Great. Hey Vineet. Hi Rohit. Hey Devesh.
कोशिश कर सकते हैं तो हंसने की वैसे वीडियो है जिसका
और रुबीश. क्या काम कर रहा है?
यहाँ पे ये सब डालने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
सही.
let me also put on some
ये दिखा. See this. Almost ready. Man, like it. Oh my god. Come on.
अभी वो FN दबा के रख।
अरे लोग कहाँ पे है?
FN दबा के रख।
अरे यार बहुत मुश्किल है. Hey, Sandeep, there is an unlock in this keypad.
That's exactly what I don't. Even I don't know.
Starting with the normal shared the pics we forgot
Of? Yeah, take it. No, it's in my hard drive. I'm taking this video to make a before and after. Swapnil took one before, and now I will have an after video. Let's see.
फिर हम लोग बचे रहे थे.
अब तेरा तो सोने वाला वीडियो है वो काफी है बस.
सौ लोगों का भी देगा सी
In fact, those of you who have laptops can connect to 192.168.1.11.
But you will have to reload that to be represented.
Yeah, I agree. 192.168.1.11 at 3000 port.
192.168.1.11.
3000.
Everybody run? Now don't reload the page.
Yeah. You're in? Yeah. Let me just reload. So, the aim of tonight's hack was to have a basic framework ready for the web version and to have synchronous video playing on all computers that are connected to a single Node.js server.
And we started from nothing.
Yeah, we basically started from nothing. So what we accomplished was streaming the video from a CDN and then basically routing all the requests that people send and then broadcasting them to everybody else connected on the server. So what I can start doing is I start playing. So those of you जिनका video cache नहीं हुआ है,
He'll answer by 205 and you'll end up at 205 as well. So
Yeah, there's some buffering. Pretty nice.
so I can actually
So what happens is the video can as well be. So what we did was that this is some basic CSS, some basic designing. Then we did the networking part of how the video will synchronize across different people who are kind of playing it, and also setting up an external server, Amazon. And how we distributed those was that we did the video part, the synchronization. They did the CSS, the design that you see around. And I did the CDN setup part and Amazon setup. That's it.
Cool. Nice.
So everyone who has a mobile phone can try it. Like now, so what I have done is like for our SOS app, I have enabled a background service. So whoever sends an SMS to my number with a particular code which is locate, my mobile will automatically find the location and send SMS. So now I have enabled all the numbers.
For now I can also.
Yeah, anyone can actually send a message locate to this number. So maybe you can just try and let me know. It should work. Where is the map? Yeah, maybe focus on this
दिखा भाई
974052711
one. Yeah.
क्या यार गलत नंबर बताता तू हैं?
Send. LOC.
I didn't do anything, I'm just having it.
I did. Anand's location. HTTP. I got a Google map.
Yeah, you have a link to my location.
Yeah.
I got nothing. No, I got something.
Oh, it's too bright.
You can actually cover
Yeah,
it. Here it's
nice.
visible well. Here. Wait,
I should no. I by mistake clicked the internet. that
yeah.
open it in the browser.
Yeah.
I also have maps. So
Yeah.
Now, how does it authenticate? So basically, he's in trouble and he sends you an SMS.
No, I am in trouble and he wants to make sure that I am in the correct location or something. So it's like, I mean, just imagine that I am a kid and he is my father, so he can keep tracking.
So
Another good use of this, for example, he got kidnapped and he pressed the SOS button, right? People will know that he got kidnapped.
so it's
But then the guy will
pretty close. So this is actually where he is, and this is where
don't make
it's
this all
reporting.
bubblers.
Yeah, very means it's reporting on the street, the nearest point
Yeah.
on the street possible.
Basically, it works. So it's proved.
And so basically, how does it kind of authenticate that he sends you an SMS and he gets your location? But
No, basically, like it would work only for selected. I should actually say that these are
These people should know about me.
my emergency contacts. I should select when I install the app. Only them the app will respond. For the demo purpose, I have enabled anyone. So.
Cool.
put some extra feature for tracking girls.
For girls, we have but we need
our work won't be that fancy like
our work will be just.
You can actually log on to this recorder only. Any of you can private link with the proper train number. This is the first app on our platform. You see the train number, right? At the end of
the last one, the user query.
12626. So what are you going to do is we are going to track this train.
Basically, this if you get a response, that's what you get.
No, we are not tracking the train here, but we have an app called Locate Train. So you can just give the train number and it will tell you where exactly it is. So, I mean, you all travel in train, right? So if you can tell just one train number, if you can remember any.
And real-time location you get for the train number.
Oh, okay.
19,000.
12724.
12724. It must be running now. Yeah, but we can still try.
You can test out if it's running or not.
Yeah.
It will reach Nagpur in another 160 minutes.
It's at or after Bhopal, likely to reach Nagpur in another 160.
And so see,
Because we had independent apps, we're trying to bring one onto the platform one by one. So we were taking baby steps at it,
And earlier we had like independent PHP files just responding to the whatever query
and you're
was.
going to, so this is kind of the text data you're
no,
going
this
to
is
stand
just the
far.
API. You
Yeah.
can just make a call to that API and then play around with data. We are exposing our data to you. Just play around.
So we plan to like in future expose such APIs back to developers who can make apps
Apps
or
on
any
top of
services on top of this.
Oh, okay. You don't intend to keep it for yourself.
No, that,
I mean,
obviously.
yeah, we will use themselves, but we will have it
Facebook
also
said
given
open
back
source,
to community.
So if you can just make an HTTP request to it, get the response.
You will be like Google, give it for free, then after it,
Nice.
$4 for 100 requests.
So it's running on a Python framework called WSLoader.
That's very nice. And so where does this get the data from? Are there
We get it from the railway server with whom we have a tie-up.
सब अंदर बाहर का
ताली मारो यार at least.
Ours will be the most down to earth thing. It means not fancy like that, not fancy like that, and not even fancy like that.
बहुत हो गई डिप्लोमेसी अब दिखा कुछ
Basically, first thing means we have made small changes. So like comments, likes.
Can you give a comment and show?
नहीं, ये लाइव साइट है.
Oh.
यहाँ पे मैं पुराना दिखा रहा हूँ.
Okay.
So this is how it used to look earlier. Means, now we have changed it to the Facebook style. Let me find a decent example. So it is.
When will Facebook change to Alma Connect style?
It will happen.
Blake.
So seems nicer. Then earlier the notification filters, they were this way, so nobody knew that what was there, and nobody really explored this option. So we have moved it to be inline, so you can
Nice man, this one's pretty good.
you can have the open codes and everything here. Then like opportunities are generally related to freelance jobs. Those will be pre-populated, and events and poll is still in development. Then other thing, attachments we have put in means that this was a recent development. That's not for today. और क्या किया आज मैंने? I guess that's it.
Feature of fetching your to-dos with a location. So look at this app. Just starting. So it gives the current user location with the altitudes and what it called as a latitude. So you can see these numbers. So it's a user current location, and already our to-do has their location. Means when you are adding a to-do, it's already there a location option. So when you type Mumbai or Ahmedabad, it's directly converted Ruby gem or directly converted coordinates, latitude or altitudes. So these are the current location, and we are sending to its server. So on these comparison, on the basis of this comparison, we are fetching the to-dos which are nearer to the user current location. So wait a minute.
So how does this work is कि if I am somewhere, it
Yeah,
will get me the
Basically
to-dos which
what
are
happened-
close to my location.
Yeah.
And the part that you have implemented is
this current location, fetching a user current location and directly send to the server. So at the backend, this comparison and sorting of the to-dos will be done, and it returns the according to the user current location. It returns the.
and you have done both the tracking the user as well as fetching the newer data which is closer to him today. I mean, क्या है, मुझे करना देना.
Instead of that, मैं अपना current दिखाता हूँ ना अच्छे से. हाँ? Instead of that, I will show you my current what to do. वो भी चलेगा ना, वो भी अच्छा है. Hey, this is good place now. You are giving me feedback. Yeah, regarding the UI as well. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's taking too much time. Then you carry on. So what's? Yeah, मंदार का देख लो, फिर बाद में मैं दिखाता हूँ.
उस पे फोकस लो ना.
This is now currently no to do. That's why it gives a empty JSON array. If there is a in location near, then it's पहले
So my aim was to enable any user to invite his Facebook friends, and now his Facebook friends can directly sign up to our site. Because our site is now invitation only, so we want to do something like user must have invitation token while signing up. So that problem we are solving via sending invitation to Facebook user, and then when the Facebook user will return, we are checking that actually he is invited or not, and then we'll generate a fake token and allow him to sign up. So for that purpose, this is my another profile, Mandar Gokle. So suppose I invite him. Okay, so now it's just for confirmation. So now I invited Mandar Gokle to what to do, and his record. So now he got the
Notification
that
saying that you have been invited, and when he clicks on it,
So the only problem is it is now opening in the iframe, and I want to solve it. ASAP. Now I want to sign up using my email ID. So junk. Now join. I hope it will work. So successfully signed in, and also I got notification that Mandar Bokle invited you to what to.
Cool.
He's built the invitation.
Nice.
पांडे जी हमारे
अभी पांडे जी का IRCTC बुकिंग भी दिखाएंगे हम. No, we can just say where his current train is, whichever he is booking.
तो बता रहे हो गया ना, तो उसके चक्कर में पूरा
Pandey ji quickly closing all the sites that were open.
नहीं, इसी देखो अभी इंटरनेट एक्सेस चला गया था, वापस मेरा सब इंटरव्यू हो गया.
As usual, IRCTC shows service unavailable. At least they can show a good error message.
You have increased your time from 1 year to.
टीवी बड़ी कम ऑन.
अरे वाईफाई इसमें भी तो चाहिए.
Actually,
नहीं सर, आप पहले टिकट विकेट बुक कर लो.
नहीं, मॉर्निंग 8 to 9 तो टिकट नहीं भी बुक हो. तत्काल में
एटलीस्ट 10 टैब तो खुला रखना ही चाहिए आपको.
हाँ सही बात है, कोई ना.
और हमसे बोल देते, हम सब खोल के रख देते.
तो करो यार, क्या ऐसे कर रहे हो?
हम IRCTC क्यों खोल रहे हैं?
क्योंकि मुझे टिकट बुक करना तत्काल में.
अरे लेकिन हम आपका वीडियो से थोड़ी ले रहे हैं, आप दिखाइए ना.
अभी नहीं ले रहे, बंद कर दिया तुम थोड़ा.
हाँ दिखाइए ना.
ठीक है, तो आज का प्लान मेरा था रिकमेंडेशन इंप्लीमेंट करने का. सो रिकमेंडेशन कम्स इन 2 parts. One is a icon called recommend, where I click and get recommendation, and then a dynamic recommendation on different pages. So this, for example, currently saying that you watch a particular program on a particular channel. Now, if I want to get more detailed recommendation, either about some campaign, so say for example, participate in this particular contest or watch this one, so I can do that. So, or even if I come here, now I'll get a separate recommendation. See, for example,
And the recommendation कौन दे रहा है? My Facebook friends.
no, this is basically we are giving you a recommendation from TV Buddy based on your interest, your past viewing behavior and all. So abhi algorithm we are like improving and all, but currently we have just implemented that. So this recommendation now covers both from the program perspective as well as the campaign perspective. So, and the dynamic, it will be completely dynamic. So on different pages you will keep on seeing that okay, it's changing, and even this one will keep on scrambling. So it will not be the same whatever you saw last time.
So अभी आपको क्या क्या recommendation दिख रहा है आपके लिए?
नहीं, ये तो अभी हमारा एक्चुअल डेटा नहीं फिल कर रहे हैं. दिस मोर लाइक सर्वर साइड से वी हैव टू फिल दैट, बट हियर इट सेज दैट ओके देयर आर सम सजेशन अबाउट यू. ओके, सॉरी गाइस, आई हैव टू जस्ट बुक द टिकट नाउ. Okay, so this is what I completed. It has been pending for some time now, so I was facing some issues, so finally
Hack Day helped.
Yeah,
everybody.
lot much.
that's right, yeah.
Cool. We should do
everybody just clap for
again.
it also. Ready for it.
Speech अगर page change